Hey, welcome back to my Argentinian messy shop. I wasn't able to do videos of the stuff that I've been making because I still don't have a setup for the shop. It's winter, by the way. Check this out. And as you can see, my shop is still a mess. For example, I just have to trim a couple pieces of wood on my table, so on. I spent like 10 minutes clearing out a bit here. But since I'm not able to do videos full build, I'm gonna share with you a couple things. One is what I've done so far, and the other one is how I build costume, build furniture, or things without any plans. So here I have a bit of a cabinet going. This afterwards I'm gonna make a face and doors, drawers, and that one. I built this shelves for Kim's Despensa, and this is very solid. Like, you can now move this, and as you can see, there is nothing in the corners. My door is whining at me. So how I did this was I put the strips basically on the wall. Those are attached to the wall. I leveled everything. It was a bit of a pain for the first one because the floor is not even. So that was the hardest part, to level that up. You'll understand as I go. So this is 12 inches, 3/4 plywood right across. Because I had all the strips already on the wall, this piece was able to just sit on it because it has the back and the two ends, even though it will, buckle a bit here. And so I started from the bottom, and when it came time to put these pieces, I put biscuit joints, 2 biscuits in each one of them. And so as I went up, everything was kind of like hanging, inertia. So when I was done, they were all hanging. I took my measurements for one of these guys. It's a 2x2. I use a level and measure mark where to put a groove for each one of them. You can't see the grooves, but basically I cut 3/4 and I left in this side the width of these pieces. So then I snuck this in one by one, and then I cut these faces, which are, well, this one is not flash, but this one is. And they cover the face of the plywood, and I glued the whole thing. Everything was glued. So this ain't going anywhere. Kitchen is still what it was. We did get gas in, so we got our proper stove. I still have to put the other 2 pieces to go there. And because we have nowhere to put nothing, I did buy this old piece, which is beautiful. So Kim has somewhere to put, cutlery and stuff like that. So there's gonna be another one built here. I did that 100-year-old wood that I've been yakking about. It turned out to be quebracho. And I built this, which I thought it would have taken me maybe an hour or 2 to build. Well, it took me the whole day, because it's the stuff that is painted green. It's quebracho, and it's as hard as steel. I broke all kinds of screws. Then I had to pile a hole, and even with a drill bit, they will start to smoke. So you have to do a little bit and stop, and a little bit and stop. It was a freaking nightmare, and I have a pile of that wood. But I will tackle it again, because I'm gonna build something for here, and I might do a table with it, because I'm just like stubborn. But to the meat of what I wanted to show you in the first place. So here I'm supposed to build, let me go wide. Here I'm supposed to build something to put close, and the easy thing will be to get a sliding doors, and I don't want to do that. So this is what I'm building right now outside. So how I look at this is, I get my long distance, and it's 112 inches. I divide that by 3 somewhat, so I decided that it'll be basically the height of a desk, about 30 something inches, one right across. That would be 1.5 inch from in each end. I'll do a cabinet with drawers. That is gonna be 36 inches, so whatever space in the middle is gonna call itself out. Above it, I'm gonna do the same thing in each side, but try and close. And the center part, I'm gonna do shelves for close. So if it sounds confusing to you, I'll try to show you in a piece of paper that I have set up here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold the phone and kind of draw this out, but we'll try it. So it'll be a bottom piece in one end. It's 3 drawers, one equal to that. Three drawers. See if I can put the top. Don't expect it to be straight. About that, I'm gonna do a cabinet. About each one of them. This will have the hanger inside, probably a shelf on the top, and then the thing to hang close. Now that's the inside, and the outside this will have 2 doors. So 2 doors. And here I wanted to put a mirror and do like a makeup counter, but Kim does not want that, so she doesn't care for it. So what we're gonna do is leave a space here and do shelves. And down here, I still don't know. But if I get this far, I already have a place where to put our clothes. So the measurements, they all call themselves out once you put these 2 pieces in the top. Basically, this the width of this is going to be the same as the one down below, which is 36. Standard height to hang clothes, one layer is 40, so this will probably be about 50 inches tall. It'll be, if you want to know the height, it'll be 36 plus 50. And I want to do it in pine. So that's the nightmare that I'm going through right now, where, you know, I work a bit out here. I had somebody come and I had a pile of dirt all over there, and I had somebody come and spread it out, and I had my truck parked here, and it rained pretty hard. And when I went to move the truck, I literally got in the truck and I started up, and it slid right out like if it was snow. I had to put it in 4x4 because all the soil is really soft right now because it was moved around. But anyways, that's the update. If you have any questions, like always, just leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it. And after I get that, I think we're at a comfortable place where somewhat we can operate now. So I'm gonna dedicate myself to building the shop here. And as soon as I'm able, I'll set up a tripod or something and do full videos of each build. So anyways, thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch up with you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.